Hi, I'm the Busy Bee Mom. Welcome to my sewing channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing some crafts. I was at a garage sale in a little town in Iowa, and this box was on a table. Musty, dirty. It says handcraft kits and lime HYD hydroxide. I don't know. Handcraft kits piqued my curiosity though, so I peeked inside and opened one of the boxes just enough. This is basically a box full of boxes. There's boxes in here, lots of boxes. I opened one just enough to see that it was a craft kit. Not a awesome craft kit, but oh, that's so dated craft kit. But I've got kind of piqued my curiosity, and it said $1 on the lid, and I was like, $1 each or the whole box? She's like, take the whole box for $1. I was like, sold. So I basically bought a whole box full of kind of dated craft kits. So in this video series, we're going to unbox them one at a time, and I'm going to try to assemble it and make it. So I'm going to do a little separate video for each one. This will be the intro for all of them though. And you get to follow along as I explore these craft kits and try to make something beautiful. All right, time to fish out craft kit number 10. It is the last one in my box. Here we go. Let's see what it is. All right, let's see what we got. It's a big rubber band. It's still stretchy. Good quality. Oh. Let me just grab some of this paperwork so we don't give away any surprises. What have we got here? First, have our foil packets. We have some pieces of wood. Well, gee, what can we do with 4 pieces of wood? Too long and too short. We have a piece of kind of heavyweight tinfoil, gold on one side, silver on the other. More paperwork. We have some nice daffodils. I had to try to think what they were called. Those, I believe those are daffodils in a little vase. Yeah. We have some sandpaper. And our foil packets. What do we need? We need some orange varnish, white adhesive, blue varnish, black walnut oil finish, and gold tone varnish. Okay, I had one other project that called for varnish, and that was a little tricky to figure out what to use instead. So I'm going to have to rethink this time what I want to do, because last time it didn't work so well. I think instead of the regular craft paint, the car kit paint worked best. So we'll try that this time again. Little car craft kit paint. Model car. Paperwork, we've got your envelope to mail in your film. We've seen that before. That's got a picture of the product on it. Let's see here. Your envelope. Be sure to open the envelope on the outside of your package. There's our member ID card. Envelope's long gone. My instructions. A whole book of crafts that you could buy. There's a whole book of them. Is this the National Handcraft? This is the National Handcraft Institute. So, some of the projects we've already done might be in here. I don't want to give anything away if you haven't watched them all, but yeah, there's a whole book of kits. These weren't in there. Look at the styrofoam penguins. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's find one more page to look at. It might be interesting. All this is so bad. Oh goodness. Christmas. Yeah. Yeah. Dated crafts, very much. Maybe I'll take pictures of these pages and I'll put them at the end of this video. So if you're interested in looking at the book, and I'll blur out any that are part of the kits that we got. So if you want to actually look through this whole book, I'll put pictures at the end. You can watch that. All right, well, we got everything we need here except varnish. Let's get started. Dear friend, Gift Craft is here, and it's all yours. It was yours from the beginning, really. This year, you determined what we put into the new Gift Craft catalog. We tallied all your letters, comments, and orders. Then we added them up, and here's what you asked for. The best of what's new, old favorites, new techniques, more wood kits, holiday trinkets and baubles, year-round centerpieces, gifts for men, gifts, 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 pictures for every room, and ever so much more. The kits you want are here. Choose from the quick and easy ones, leisure time pleasure types, and in-betweens. Our kits still have everything you need to complete the project, even brushes, glues, stains, sandpaper, whatever is needed. Our directions are always homemaker tested and approved. With our kits and your time and creativity, you can have the fun of making items worth more than twice the price. Sincerely, Nancy Lee. P.S. If you haven't written, we'd love to hear from you. Send us your ideas to NL. Dear club friend, here are 2 golden rules for brilliant decorating. The first is a Tiffany garden of daffodils, with a glint of sunlight, a hint of stained glass, all faceted, sparkling, gleaming. Its jewel-like elegance is effectively framed in the simplest of moldings and presents a shining picture of your polished craft skills. The second rule doubles the effectiveness of the first. It's a Tiffany garden of iris with amethyst blossoms, emerald leaves, and a sapphire vase. Jewel tones to match, to blend, into contrast with the Tiffany garden daffodils. The pair is a 14-karat decorating idea that's as good as gold.
Both kits are listed on your 3-star for postage saver ordering. Sincerely, Nancy Lee, Club Secretary. Copyright 1976, Fad of the Month Club, Division of the National Handcraft Institute, Incorporated, Des Moines, Iowa.
Okay, craft kit number 10 is done. The last one in the box. Except I skipped number 9 because after I opened it, I realized there weren't any instructions. So, yeah, it's sort of the last one. I'll go back and do 9 next. Let's rate this project. This is my Tiffany Garden of Daffodils. And you could also get it, the iris kit. So that would have been pretty too, the purple irises. Tiffany Garden of Daffodils. We're going to rate a couple things on a scale from 1 to 5. 1 being awful, and we're going to go all the way up to fantastic. So let's see how we think we did. Let's first rate it on materials. Let's go okay on materials. The tinfoil was nice and thick, so you could work with it. I only had 1 little spot rip, so the tinfoil was pretty good. I do think that if they'd given me silver paint, it would have been so much easier, because these areas here are not silver paint, they're the back of the foil. So I had to take the scrap foil, lay it on there, rub it, transfer the design, cut it out, and glue it in there. And there's like 11 petals that I had to do that with. Come on, just give me some silver paint. It'll still be shiny. That would have been a lot easier. They didn't give you green paint either, but you could mix the orange and the blue and get the green. What I thought would have been really handy if they wanted you to mix. So their instructions for mixing for the different things in the different shades was to do it by drops. So for example, the green paint, you were to do 30 drops of clear, 30 drops of blue, and 40 drops of orange. They didn't give you a dropper, one of those little things that you squeeze and you suck it up and then drop it out. I don't know, you just do drops? Do you just get it on your paintbrush and sort of try to drip it off? I'm like, how do you measure 100 drops without a dropper easily? You know, that just seems like it would have been really tough. So materials, we're just going to do an okay. Silver paint and a dropper would have been good. Makeability, you know what? I'm going to say really good, because this was doable. Put the foil on there, you rubbed it, you flooded those areas with the color, glued the frame together. Yeah, you got it. It's done. You can do this. Attractiveness. By the time I get it done, things start to grow on me because I spent a lot of time and energy on it. So I think it's not that bad. But then when I stop and think about it, yeah, it's not very good. It's gold and shiny. I don't do shiny. I don't even do sparkly. So yeah, we're going to say not very good for attractiveness because it's a little garish. Yeah. I do like how I got the color saturation though. I think that turned out really nice. This would be kind of fun for, I think, a kid's craft if you had some more fun modern designs. I think this is something that you could bring back and people would enjoy for like young girls who like sparkly, shiny things. All right. Overall, we're gonna do okay. You know, it's not my thing, but yeah, I mean, it worked out. It looks like the picture pretty much. Yep, it's just gold tinfoil though. It is shiny. So there we go. There's number 10, done and dusted. Now to go back and work on number 9.
Thanks for watching. You have a good day. All Season Gift Craft 1975 to 1976. National Handcraft Institute, Des Moines, Iowa. Up for grabs. If you like surprises, this is for you. We have reserved a special group of fun-to-make kits, not shown in this catalog, and are offering them at the bargain prices shown below. No exchanges. When ordering, state grab bag offer and include number shown below. Reserve one or more kits with a value of $2 or more, $1.59, $3 or more, $2.29, $4 or more, $2.98, $5 or more, $3.49. Special gift membership. It's a gift of leisure time pleasure for someone who's special. Membership in our Handcraft Club give her hours of enjoyment taught by the pride and satisfaction of creating her own gifts, home decorations, and more. Your friend will learn of your delightful gift when she receives an attractive gift announcement card that tells her when her first surprise package would be mailed and lists you as the thoughtful giver. To enroll a friend, carefully print her name and address on the special form on the following page. Mail separately or attach to your order blank with $10 for each 6-month membership. This $10 includes everything: postage, handling, and beautiful card. Bonus: with every 6-month special gift membership, you send in a lovely ready-made gift. Value of $2 or more will be mailed to you. Money back guarantee. National Handcraft Institute is well known in every state as America's greatest, most reliable make-it-yourself organization. All kits are unconditionally guaranteed to give full satisfaction. Money promptly refunded if kits are returned within 7 days. All prices in this catalog are effective, guaranteed through July 31st, 1976. Canadian members, we welcome your orders and hope you'll enjoy the wide selection of kits offered. However, please be aware of possible Canadian custom charges. Many of our packages pass through customs duty-free, but some members tell us they've been required to pay duty charges of 25 to 30% of the purchase price. We feel you should know this could happen.